Creating an astrology website on WordPress is a magical blend of design, functionality, and spiritual insight. Whether you're offering horoscopes, birth chart readings, or astrology blogs, WordPress gives you the flexibility to build a professional and engaging platform. In this video, I'll show you how to create astrology website in WordPress. So go ahead and plan your astrology niche first. After that, set up your WordPress and then head over into the Appearance tab and click on Themes from there. And then in here, go ahead and search for a theme that you want to use. So the first theme that will come into your mind would be the Mystic theme. This theme is actually an astrology theme that you can use and edit with your own style, but there is also Astrostar and Astrology. So this astrology theme features an individual that actually conducts the reading, but if you want it more of like an astrology itself without representing anyone, you can use Astrostar. So this is how it looks like. So you just need to download this theme and then use this on your page. So use the themes builder or WordPress editor to create the homepage, about page, services page, and the blog page. After that, you can go ahead and add astrology features such as daily horoscope widgets, birth chart calculators, live chat, or booking system. Now lastly, you need to optimize your website for mobile and speed. So add SEO plugs like Rank Math or Yoast and connect social media and email marketing tools. With this, you can create a beautiful and functional astrology website that connects with cosmic seekers around the world. And that is how you can basically create astrology website in WordPress. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.